Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm EDC Gunner, and today I'm showing you this pocket watch. This Magnia pocket watch. It's Russian piece, like you can see from my props here. Got some props here, well, binoculars made in Russia, and my another Russian piece, product. But today I'm showing you this pocket watch. And Magnia watches are there's tons of Magnia pocket watches because they've been started producing their watches in 1947, and the main customer was Ministry of Defense, Russian Soviet Ministry of Defense, and it was the main customer, and they ceased to produce their watches in November 2007. And I saw a lot of Magnia watches. Most of them were just plain simple run-of-the-mill decorated Magnia watches. Last year I showed you that green one. It was very nice, it's stunning, and I regretted selling it. So when I saw this one, I had to buy it because this is Magnia I never seen before, and has this lovely engravings here. It says Discovery Day, and I think my guess is that they are alluding to the discovery of America, Christopher Columbus. You can see here sailboat, and here little anchor and a fellow and a globe. So I think that's the Columbus, something related to Columbus, Christopher Columbus. My buddy, who's a huge Russian collector, has a Polot Columbus Discovery of America chronograph, and it's just a neat piece, and I love it. I don't usually carry a lot of pocket watches, or no one does, but this one I definitely will, and I think every collection should have at least one pocket watch, and the cheapest and the best way is Magnia, because there's lots of them around, so you won't have to break the bank, and they're good quality. They are not Breguet, they are not, but that's why they have a good and robust movement inside. And I'm gonna show you the movement a bit later on. Magnia means lightning, and it's definitely very cool pocket watch. I wear this, I carry this. Sometimes I will do it in my vest with jeans, or just with jeans in a fifth pocket. So I know some of you guys are thinking I don't have to have a three-piece suit. I don't. Jeans pocket, fifth pocket, it's for a pocket watch, and I love it. I rediscovered my love for pocket watches, and this is just very nice piece here, and fun, and the party doesn't stop here. Check this out, check this style. And I didn't clean this one. I'm leaving it with this patina, but this style is absolutely gorgeous style. So the movement which they created didn't change throughout all these years, because when something is communism, there's no need for competition and for improvements, and the movement is pretty much good and sturdy, so there's no really need for changing something. And this is a standard Magnia movement, and this is a Magnia movement is a copy of a Corte movement. I had a watch, wristwatch. On my channel there's a video somewhere, and this movement, that Cortebert movement, is sold. Cortebert sold that movement to Rolex, and you can find that movement in Rolex watches from around 1940s. And this is a copy of that movement, and Russians did it. It's a very robust movement. It can run for years without you needing to service it. It's a shock resistant, just a gorgeous movement. Has around 38 hours power reserve, or 40, I'm not sure. And if you want to take it out, you first need to remove the crown here, and this screw, and this screw, and you will remove the movement. So like I said, it's not a Breguet, but it's not a Breguet money, and the movement pretty much remained the same throughout the years, and that's a good thing because there's a lot of spare parts for these watches, and all Molnia watches here are snapback, and you can see this Molnia movement in many oversized watches on eBay, like pilots watches and stuff like that. It's a gorgeous watch, and they I wanted to see the movement stay the same throughout the years, but the cases and case designs were different, and there's lots of variations and different stuff. Older Molnia movements have 15 jewels, and newer have 18, but that's the least important. What I like about this watch is it's a cool looking watch. It's wonderful, fantastic. It's a great, and I think I'll enjoy this watch very much. And it's a great conversational piece, and even if you don't wear it, it's a cool collectible piece, and I think it's a great pair to my Pilot Aviator 1 to add to my Russian contingent of watches. So that's it. I wanted to share this one. Price wise, you can find them on eBay, I don't know, from 50 bucks on plain Jane movement cases to, I don't know, I saw some to 200 bucks. I sold my last one, I sold for 120 bucks, the green one, but it was really beautiful and rare moment. So this one, I'm gonna enjoy this, and I enjoyed this wearing it, and occasionally, not every day, I will wear a pocket watch, and it's very cool. It's kind of fancy, and people looking at you strange, but I love that. So I wanted to share this. I'm a DC gunner, so if you like watches, please subscribe. I show all kinds of watches, mainly affordables, but hey, you never know. So thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next video.